guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my morning skincare routine. I get quite a lot of questions asked on how I take care of my skin, so I decided to show you guys a video on how I do that. I have really dry skin and oily skin, so I do have a combination. So the products I'm going to show you in today's video have helped me control all that. So if you'd like to see it, please keep watching. So to start off my morning, I always go ahead with the CERA Foam and Facial Cleanser. This is one of my favorite cleansers ever. It leaves my face very clean. It takes off all the makeup, everything you can think of. It's really good. And this is oil control as well. So if you have oily skin, this is really good for you. So I'm going to go ahead with my CONAIR brush. I'm just going to wet it a little bit. And I'm just going to put a little bit of the CeraVe on the brush. And then there's two modes to this brush. It's a fast one and there's like a really fast one. I'm going to start in circular motions. Work my way around. What I like about this brush is not really that rough on my skin. And it does come with two heads, I believe. I just never like changed it to the other one. I always thought this one was better. Every morning I use like to do like a deep cleansing. I also use this brush when I'm exfoliating. It's really good for that as well. Turn because that's where it gets a little dryness. Then I'm just gonna wash my face. Then I rinse off the cleanser. I'm gonna get some washcloth and I'm just gonna pat dry my face. You never wanna like just go crazy with the washcloth and harsh on your skin, because I feel like that just brings more wrinkles. And you should always be gentle with your skin. Okay, now that my face is clean, next I'm gonna go in with a toner. This is from the brand number 7. It's a Radiant Results toner. It says radiant, healthier looking, energized skin, vitamin C, E, and B5. So with a cotton ball or a cotton pad, whatever you prefer, you're just gonna dab, like pat it on your skin. Just to take any dirt. And then I loved using this on the neck, because when you have makeup on, especially, like it takes away like makeup stuck on your skin. Like even if you shower, sometimes like as much as you scrub, the makeup still sticks on there. Doesn't like get off with soap, so that's really good for that. Next I'm gonna go in with the DERMA E Ultra Hydrating eye gel. This is really good. Gives it like a cooling effect under your skin, and it's like a roll-on eye gel. So you just want to apply that under. I can do this all day. It's so relaxing. Then with your fingers, you're gonna just slide upward, very gentle. There. Then I'm gonna go in with the Physician Informa Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. This is the hydrating one. I love this one. It's really soft on the skin. And I'm running out. Massage it into the skin. Like that. Then for my moisturizer, I'm gonna go ahead with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This is not only for your face, you can put that anywhere on your body if you have like really dry skin. And I'm just gonna apply circular motions, very gentle. Feels so good when you moisturize your skin. You don't feel dehydrated. You feel like brand new and awake. And make sure everything's in circular motion. I always leave my nose for last. I don't know why. Even with makeup, I always do that. It's just a habit, I guess. There. The last product is my lip sleeping mask from LANEIGE. I really believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's the pink one. I love this mask. It smells like bubblegum, and I love it because it leaves your lips so soft and hydrated. And right now, my lips are super dry. Because one of the lipsticks that I put during last week, well, I didn't put too much. One of the lipsticks I put last week has dried out my lips so bad that they're super dry and it burns. Guess I won't be using that lipstick anymore. Hey guys, that's all for my morning skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And please don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, bye.